My name's Kieran and I'm studying AI and robotics. So it's computer science, maths and physics undergraduate of the year. It was recommended to me by a friend. He was a previous finalist. I mean, no one really thinks of themselves as a winner from the offset. It's kind of one of those things that you apply to on the fly. You never think you're going to make it all the way through, and it still feels a little bit surreal now thinking about winning. It's pretty amazing actually. I mean, when you get to the final, it's a bit of an honour really. You never expect to make it all that way, and then you get to meet so many other amazing people. It started off as just kind of an application form, a few questions from the employer, what's the most important technology out there right now. Having made it past that, it's kind of, you go into tests, so numerical, logical, situational tests. That's kind of quite tough. I never thought I'd get past that stage. There's a telephone interview. So they ask you lots of competency-based questions, and then there's an assessment centre. So they take you through a group activity, and then there's some tests, and you get to play loads of little iPad games which assess your decision making and judgment. And then kind of after all that, there's finally you make it to the final, and you get to meet loads of other people that have done the same for 12 different companies. It's been a massive boost to my confidence. Like, I can't even describe how good it makes you feel to have won, to have been the best out of so many people. It's pretty amazing, and from a confidence point of view, I don't think I'll ever be nervous about interviews or anything like that anymore, so that's always a good thing. What happens now is, so the winner gets an internship at FDM, who are an IT and consulting company. It's in London, overlooking the Thames. Yeah, so working with the CIO, their Chief Information Officer, to determine change and work with change in the company. I'm still it's on the down low of what's going to happen at the moment, but I'm hoping to hear back from them over the next few weeks.